Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular compact washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Anypro Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for small spaces, making them perfect for dorms, apartments, and RVs. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The BANGSON washing machine operates as a semi-automatic unit, requiring users to manually transfer clothes between the washing and spinning cycles. In contrast, the Anypro machine is fully automatic, allowing users to set their desired program and let the machine handle the rest. This difference in operation can significantly impact user convenience and efficiency. When it comes to features, the BANGSON model offers basic washing and spinning functions with limited wash modes. On the other hand, the Anypro model boasts 10 wash programs, 8 water levels, and additional features such as a child lock and fuzzy control, making it a more versatile option for users looking for convenience and advanced functionality. Price is an important factor to consider. The BANGSON washing machine is priced at $139, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washer without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Anypro washing machine is priced at $199, reflecting its advanced features and fully automatic operation. Depending on your budget and needs, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and Anypro washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The BANGSON is an excellent choice for those seeking a simple, affordable solution, while the Anypro offers a more advanced, fully automatic experience. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.